Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. I wanted to show you this little subscription box that I purchased from Glossybox. I purchased the one-off sale box, but you can purchase an online subscription to these boxes. I think they're usually around £10, £9.99, something around that mark, with a delivery fee. I got this little box, I think it was on sale. It was £8 and £1.99 delivery, and it just arrived. So I'm super excited to have a look and see what's inside. Guys, what I love, I'm actually just going to bring you guys out a little so you can see the box a bit better. But what I love about this is the gorgeous little box. This is almost like like a star sign box. It's super duper cute. This is saying that it is October. Oh, this is actually an Glossybox UK 2022 October variation number 11. So this is actually from quite a long time ago, which is probably why it was on sale. But I wanted to show you guys what's inside. I don't know why I set it off to the side, because I meant to actually take the bow out. So let's see what we got. I'm just going to open the little ribbon, which is super adorable. And I love this green color. I love it. And I love this little box. I would probably keep this box and reuse it for something else. I think it's adorable. So it is sealed here. I'll just tear the little seal and open up the box. And this is what we're getting inside. I'm not sure. I don't remember the last time I bought a Glossybox, probably about a year ago. And so I'm not sure how many items you get, what the value of this box was, because I couldn't find it online. But I'm assuming that I get double the value of what I paid for it. So you guys already saw we got a warming eye mask, and this is a relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. I'm assuming you can wear it to sleep. So I think you pull the little levers out, put it around your eyes, it self-warms, and is nice and relaxing. And it does say that you can use it for yoga, you can use it for sleeping, and you can use it for travel. So that's really nice. And I love this deep blue packaging as well. So we got an eye mask. That's pretty awesome. Okay, we got something that looks, if I can get the lid of this box, it looks a little bit in line with the actual box itself. So this is a bubble tea, bath and body, Nervelle and Tangerine. I don't know how to say this. Neroli and Tangerine body wash. It says, let the feeling of this calm moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. And this is a full-size product. It's 100 ml. It is sealed on the inside, but let's just open that up and smell it. I definitely am getting oh, and it's see-through. You can see right here, it's completely see-through. I'm definitely getting a tangerine, and I am getting almost like a floral scent. So I don't know if this ingredient, and I shouldn't maybe have done that, but we'll use a bit of the tissue to clean it off because it's running down my hand. But definitely a tangerine. This is really nice. Bubble tea, I don't believe is too expensive. You probably got that for a couple of pounds. The eye mask, probably £1. So we're getting there. The next product we get is Percy and Reed. This is London. It says Team That Mean. This is a frizz fixer spray. It's spray anti-frizz. This is 50 mils. This is a little travel size, but again, that's not a bad little item to get in this little box. I'm going to move the box slightly off so you guys can see the products that we're getting right here. And we'll put the box right here. We do have another 3 items in this box, which is pretty good. So I'm assuming that we get six items in total. The next little item that we have is this eye pump. It is an eye cream. It's an overnight eye cream. Let me see how much we're getting. We're getting 15 mils. So this is a little travel or sample. And let's see what the cream is like. I'll just put it here. So this light white cream, this cream is quite light, which I like, especially around the eye area. And I've never heard of this Bybee. If you guys, let me just see. If you've heard of this, let me know in the comment section below. I've never heard of that brand. There is no scent to this. Yeah, there is no scent to that eye cream at all. But it's this Baculoi. I don't even know how to say that. Eye cream. So that's also not a bad product. Second to last product, we have this Christophe Robin Paris. This is a hydrating melting mask. I don't know what a melting mask is, but it's got aloe vera, hydrated hair, shiny and plumped length. So this is an actual hair mask, which is pretty neat. I do like hair masks. Oh, it's already come out. Let's just smell it. The scent of this is not really a scent. It is more like clean. It just smells like clean. This is also probably a one-off use. It is a 40 ml right here. So probably a one use only hair mask. Especially, I guess if you had shorter hair, you could use more than one. You may get two out of this, but with her, I've got quite long hair. So I would assume that I'm only getting one usage out of that. And the last product we have is Steve Laurent. I've never heard of Steve Laurent either. But this is a what? Orchid, sorry, Steve Laurent. This is a lip oil, and that's good. I love the little shiny packaging, which is always really cute. What have we got in here? Oh, this is nice packaging. It's nice and clean. I like the gold lid and the clear lip oil. Let's see, does this have any scent? Yeah, this is very floral. So this has an exceptionally floral scent, which I don't mind at all. And I love the little pink tinge to it. I don't currently own a lip oil, so that will definitely stay with me. But all in all, for the 6 products, do I think this glossy box, even though it's well over a year old, do I think that this was good value? Yeah, I probably do. I would probably use most of these little products myself. So that's always a bonus, because not all the products that I get in the glossy boxes do I actually use or keep. Sometimes I'll sell them. Sometimes I'll put them into little gift bags and pass them on. But I don't think this time many will be going anywhere. I think I will be keeping all of these products. I think they're all pretty neat. I have bought glossy boxes in the past and I have not kept anything. So for this one, definitely think for me it was worth the price. It is a year old. The products will still be fine. I'm still happy to use them. And I've got this cute, adorable little box that I will reuse for something else. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever bought glossy boxes. Let me know if you hold their subscription, because I would be interested to find whether you think you get value for money. In this case, I definitely think I got value for money, and I think everything is adorable. Well, guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Guys, if you would please help me out by subscribing to my channel, I would be really grateful. Please feel free to share with family and friends. And if you have any comments, leave them in the comments section. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. I'm going to say thank you again so much. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.